everyone, good morning. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes if others are joining. So we can start the session in maybe 5 minutes. Okay. So please just wait for a couple of more minutes.
Thank you.
So Saurav, we have not started the session yet. So we are waiting for others to join. So we'll wait for 5 more minutes. Then we will start the session. Okay. So please just wait till that. Okay, so till the others joining or anyone is joining, so can we have a quick introduction, all of you, so that it will be great to have a ice-breaking session and we will start the session.
Yeah, sure, Anshuman. Good morning, all. This is Sachin. I completed my master's in 2011,
Mhm.
and since then I've been in recruitment domain, and now I'm looking to change my domain in SAP MM. I've been working in two, three IT companies.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Okay, fine, no problem. We can move on to next person, please.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Uh, my name is Sagar Joshi from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech in 2022 and currently working in Gentech Engineering Services as a project engineer.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. And total I have 5 years of working experience as a engineer.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah. Next person, please.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Very good morning.
My name is Divyanshu Pandey, and I have completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in 2016. And currently, I'm working as a operation engineer in boiler turbine and generator operation in
Mhm.
300 megawatt since 7 years.
Okay.
Thank you.
No. Yeah. Next person, please. Anyone left? Saurav?
Hi, Anshuman. Good morning. Hi, everyone.
Yeah. Good morning.
Hi, I'm Saurabh. So I have total 16 years of IT experience, and I have worked in SAP around 3 4 years. And I'm currently working as a manager.
Okay. So you have worked in like which kind of profile you have worked?
So I have worked in SAP support project.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
currently I'm looking for an role of SAP project manager.
Okay, fine. No problem. Okay, so no problem. Let's start with the session. So basically today we are just going to look into an overview of the like what will be the course, how will be the course, and what should be, let's say, timing and all. So that we are going to decide today. And right now there will be 5 demo classes will be there. Okay, so one we are having today. So from tomorrow onwards we will be having the demo session at the 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so it is like we will be having the session from Monday to Friday 7:30 to 8:30. So that will be basically the timing. And the course which we are having, so it will be having duration of mostly 3 to 4 months of time, which will which will having the content. So I'll just share you the content. I hope my screen is visible. So
Yes.
here you can see, yeah. So here you can see basically this will be the course structure. So it will be starting with the from pretty much basic means this course is basically who are not, let's say, who are the beginners to SAP MM, or let's say who want to brush up their skills, or let's say they just want to let's say start their courses. So this will be helpful for them. And also there are certain sections are there where you can, let's say, go for the advanced section of SAP MM, like how the real time works are happening and project related work. So that will be there. So if we say about the session, so first it will be there will be an introduction session to S4 HANA MM, because right now you know, or you might have known that right now we are having the S4 HANA as a current version, or we are going to work in a S4 HANA version. So that's why we are going to look into what is the S4 HANA and what is S4 HANA MM, and what are the, let's say, things are there in SAP S4 HANA, and why people are, or why the companies are going to use, or they are using the S4 HANA, what is the benefit and all that we are going to see. Then we will look into the navigation and user interface. We can see how the SAP will work, how the SAP GUI will work, how the SAP, let's say Fiori, you can navigate between the Fiori interfaces. So those kind of things we'll see. Then we will start with the, let's say, basics of SAP, SAP MM. We can start with the basic. So basically, when we start with the SAP MM, there will be certain kind of data will be there which we are going to use or which we are going to generate. Based on that, we will be looking into certain data. So first thing will be the master data. So first thing will be your organization data. Next thing will be your master data. Then there will be transactional data will be there. So we will be looking into the every aspect of the data. What are the datas are there? Who are going to use? Who are going to create? How to manage? All of those things we are going to understand. Then it comes to the procurement process. So in the procurement, we are going to understand what is the procurement processes are there in the SAP MM, because in SAP MM it deals with mostly two processes are there mostly. One is a procurement process, one is a inventory process. Okay, so we manage the procurement and inventory in the SAP MM. So we will look into the procurement process. What are the procurement processes are there? Then we will go for the inventory management and we'll see what are the inventory processes are there, what are the inventory related, let's say, activities will be there. We'll understand that one. Then one more part is there, invoice verification. So let's say invoice is also, we can say it is a part of SAP MM, but right now as per the scenarios, most of the people they include the invoice verification in, let's say, with finance side. Okay, because the invoicing is linked to the finance, because there will be billing, payment, these kind of things will be there. So that's why most of the companies they hand it over to the finance people, but still we are going to look into that, because not all of the people use the invoicing section in the FICO section. Some people they still use it at the, let's say, MM side. So we need to understand what are the invoice verification or invoicing topics are there. Then if we come to the next topic, let's say there will be material valuation will be there, material pricing will be there. Okay, and let's say there will be certain concepts will be there, like your account determination process and your pricing procedure, output determination, and let's say your, we can say, release procedure. So these are the some, let's say, we can say some topics will be there which is very important for the SAP MM to work properly. And some topics will be, let's say, it will be an integration point between the SAP MM and SAP FI. It will be an integration point. Then if we come to the integration point, so there will be certain integration with, for the SAP MM there will be certain integration with, let's say, SAP WM, SAP, let's say, SD, SAP FICO. So we are going to, and also SAP PP. So we are going to look into that. Then there will be certain reportings will be there. So when we use a system, we need to generate some of the reports. So we will look into the some of the standard reports, some of the custom reports we are going to see. Then let's say there will be certain advanced topics will be there, like your batch management will be there, your split valuation will be there. Okay, so these kind of things will be in the advanced topics will be there. Okay, and in that advanced topic also we are having some special procurement types are there. Okay, let's say consignment type of procurement, subcontracting type of procurement. So right now just try to understand what are the topics will be there. So later on, when we start the sessions, in that we will discuss about the details on it, and we will look into each and every aspect of the topics that we are mentioning here. Okay, then if we say there will be certain case studies and practical exercises will be there, but this will be a part of your, we can say, real time classes. So there will be real time classes will be there once we are finishing off these courses, whatever things we have mentioned till your 11 section. So these things will be covered first, it will be completed first, then we will be looking into the, let's say, project classes, or we can say it as a real time classes, where we will look into, let's say, the implementation projects or support projects, we'll be looking into them. And we will look into some of the case studies, some of the practical exercises, some of the practical, we can say, issues, problems, troubleshooting techniques. So these kind of things we will look into that. Okay. And then if we come to the certification preparation, definitely if you have a let's say your SAP Learning Hub access, you can book for a exam and you can give a certification on that one. Okay. Okay. So basically you can prepare for the certification, because right now from the 2024 December, SAP has change the certification program. Okay, so basically you cannot individually go for a certification, you have to, you need to get the, let's say, Learning Hub access from the company itself. Okay, so that's why it is right now little bit of difficult to directly or personally go for a certification, and that is fine. Certification is not that much of important. If it is required, then your company, they can provide you the certification attempts and they can make you certified consultant. Okay, but basically you will be able to understand how to give a certification and what will be the certification, let's say, techniques will be there, or what are the, let's say, how to prepare for it, how to practice for it, and how to prepare for the exam. So those kind of things we can understand. And then comes to the industry best practices. So when we say about working in the, let's say, real time environment, let's say if you are working in support project or in the implementation project, where you can get the some of the helps. Okay, where you can get some help and where you can find some solution, or how to search for the solution, how to, let's say, find for the troubleshooting techniques. So these kind of things we are going to understand. So these so basically if we divide this course structure, so basically till 1 to 11 we are having in the subjective classes. Once we are finishing of the subjective classes, then we will go for the real time classes. Okay, so basically this will be the course structure. Okay, anyone has any questions, any doubt, anything to ask from here? Anyone having any questions, any doubt, anything, or any topics that you want to know or you have it in your mind? Okay, so anything if you want to ask, you can just ask. For the courses or for the timing or anything, if you have any question, you can just ask.
What would be the timings once the training is started?
7:30 to 8:30. It will be 7:30 to 8:30 in the morning, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi.
Sir,
Actually, I don't have any about regarding to the SAP or SAP syllables because my working domain is totally different.
That's fine. That's
Okay.
fine. Not a problem, because we are going to start it from the scratch. So if anyone is having no idea about SAP also, they can start, and they can be able to understand, and they can get through
Okay.
the course. Okay, so it will
Okay, we
not
can learn from the zero.
yes, you can learn from zero.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, Divyanshu, you are saying something.
Sir, at what time we are going to have hands-on on S4 HANA?
See, hands-on means you are asking about when we start the practicing, or
Sir, yes, sir. Means, are we getting some kind of software to for self?
okay, yes. So you are going to get the means the server you are going to get S4 HANA server. Okay, so that will be for 3 months. We are going to provide you the S4 HANA server. Okay, and mostly it will be after 15 days of the classes, mostly I believe, because first 2 weeks will be pretty much basic when we don't need any kind of let's say system or software we don't need. So first we will try to understand the basics and all. So after a couple of weeks, I believe, I'll be providing you the let's say server details, so you can practice on that one. So once we are starting on the configuration part and the let's say software part, so at not the software, let's say configuration, and we will go through the system. So when we look into the system, at that point of time, we will be providing you the server. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, is it something about means we have to learn, we have to more give more focus on inventory side or something like that?
No, nothing like that, because it depends on your like where you are working and where that, let's say if you are working in a support project, okay, and there is more focus is on to the procurement side, or most of the issues or let's say tickets you are receiving at the procurement side, so you need to understand what is the procurement side. Okay, and
No.
sometime what will happen, inventory section, mostly let's say if there is any kind of WM or EWM is there, so they will be taking care of the let's say inventory section. Okay, so it depends on the project actually, so where you are going to work and what is the let's say we can say structure is there. So based on that you need to understand. So here we will learn about, let's say, overall process, all of the things we are going to understand it. And when you are going inside a project, whatever things you are getting, you have to focus on that. Okay, based on the
Mm.
actual work you can focus on that.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Sir, after the completion of this course, are you providing any kind of job or suggesting any kind of vacancies?
Yeah, so coming to the job assistant, so basically here once we complete the course, you will be able to, let's say, search for the jobs, or you will be able to, let's say, get some calls from the Naukri or any kind of job portals are there, you are going to get that one. And in the real time session also, means
Hmm.
when we start the real time session, at that point of time we will let you know how to create a profile, how to update a profile, or how to apply for the job. So those kind of things we will be suggesting you. And next, for the referral, if I get some referral, so normally we will get some referral from the different we can say job portals are there, or let's say different we can say SAP groups are there, recruitment groups are there. So from there, if we get any kind of openings, so that I will be sharing, you can apply for that. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
so
Thank
how to apply, when to apply, where to apply, so don't worry about that one. I will definitely guide you, and by the time your course will be finished, definitely you will be going to get some calls from the directly from the recruiter. Okay.
you. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is there any extra effort that you talk from the learner side?
Extra effort means,
Yes, sir, that we have to read something by ourselves
huh.
or
So see, read something by self means, this is, let's say, we are going to cover the basics. Okay, so we are
okay,
going to
sir.
cover the basics, and we are going to understand how the process will work and how the things will work. And we will understand in the real system also how the real systems are working and how you are going to work on that. So basically I will not say that any extra effort or something, but basically you need to get, let's say, confident on the topic. Okay, so for that
Oh,
one, first thing you need to have a hands-on practice on the system. Okay, that is the first thing. You need to understand like what is the SAP, how the SAP screen will look like, what will be the data, where the data is coming from, where the data is, let's say, fetching from. All of those things you need to understand. For that one you need to have a, let's say, hands-on experience, means you need to practice on the system for some time. Okay, daily you have to practice at least, if, let's say, all of you are working, so might be there will be a timing issue will be there, but at least get a time for 1 hour daily for the practicing. So starting you will be not require that, but after 1 month we can say daily you will be needing 1 hour to 2 hour of practice in the system. The much you practice, the better you get confident on that one, and that will be helping you on the interviews also, and while you are working that will be also working, helping you. Okay, that is the first
okay.
thing. Second thing, whatever we are learning over here, I will tell you some of the note points, or whenever let's say I'm mentioning something, so normally I'll try to get you some notes on the topic which you can learn. Basically the first part is let's say your hands-on experience, means your hands-on practice, and second thing is your let's say interview related topics. Okay, in the interview what are the questions are coming and how you can practice that one. So basically you have to revise on that one also. Okay, so that will not take more than 30 minutes, let's say, in a day. Okay, so it will not take more than 15 minutes to 30 minutes a day. So it will be a simple technique, so I'll let you know how to revise or how to practice on that one. So you can expect these things, or you can just follow these things, and extra things if it is required, I will let you know what are the extra things that is not included in the course, and you can just look into it. But basically what will be there required, so we will be covering all of those things in the, let's say, in the course. So no extra efforts will be required, but couple of things are required. First thing is your hands-on practice on the system, and second thing you need to prepare for the interview from the interview perspective of knowledge. Okay, so whatever topics or whatever things you need to learn from your interview perspective, so that you need
Hmm.
to practice. Okay, so these are the two things. Okay.
Sir, all
Sir,
server
one
charges are included in this fees.
Yes, yes, it will be included.
sir, one more question.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, as my I'm working in a shift duty.
Mm-hmm.
So, sir, sometime I'm not able to attend your live classes. So,
That's fine, not a problem. Here we will be having the, let's say, recorded session also. So right now, if we complete this class, after this one, the recordings will be available over here. So you can just go through that one through the recorded sessions. Okay.
oh,
And if you have any doubt, you can just ask. Sorry. Okay, so recorded
okay,
sessions recordings will be available here where you are going to join. So this is just for the demo. We have created this, let's say, these classes we have started. So once we are starting the class, so it will be another one, let's say, course or another one link you are going to join. So there you are going to get all of those things. Okay, all of
okay,
those recorded sessions and study material. So whatever things are there, we can share it over there, and you can just find it, and you can just go through there. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, so one more thing for the language. So what will be the preferable language for everyone? Is it English or is it Hindi? So do you want to continue in English or do you want to continue in Hindi?
Hindi, English, both.
Okay, fine. Fine, no problem. So then we will go through English or Hindi, or okay, no problem. We'll do that.
Uh, uh, after completion of the training,
Hmm.
what kind of job profile we can target? I mean, we can
You
work.
can, you can target for a SAP MM consultant. Okay, so SAP MM consultant with the experience of 3 to 4 years of experience you can manage by
Sure,
the completion of the course. Okay, so that profile you should target, and for that one more thing is there. So if you are going to start the, let's say, classes, better if you are having any kind of profiles are active. So I believe you are having your profiles like in Naukri or in LinkedIn or anywhere you are having your previous experiences or your current profile as your, let's say, as your profile, right?
yes,
So
yes,
I will suggest you to deactivate that one for now. Okay, at least for 1 month you deactivate that one, and later on I will let you know how to maintain your profile or what to maintain in your profile, so that I will let you know. And at that point of time, means after 1 month or something, or 1 month or 2 months, after that you activate your profile with the same, let's say, same, we can say, same data. You can just create a new profile. Okay, means same, we can say, on the same job portal you can maintain a different profile, we can say. Okay, so maintain a different profile, that I'll let you know.
sure,
So for now you can just deactivate it, because if you are searching for a job as a SAP MM consultant and you have made a profile, let's say, based on your previous experiences, so that will be causing the issue. Okay, while
yeah,
HRs are going to search for it, so there will be issues will be there. So that is one more thing. Okay, so yeah, for your question, you can just target for the SAP MM consultant level roles. Okay,
sure, sure.
yeah,
So, sir, can we delete the current LinkedIn account and create new account?
you can, you
Okay.
can, you can delete and create, but I will suggest, like, don't delete and create, just inactivate it. Okay, and if you are maintained your profile or something over there, okay, so just change that. Okay, so yeah, just
Uh,
change that.
Oh, okay.
Actually, my whole
Anjuman, what is the duration and timing for the course?
Duration will be 3 to 4 months, and timing will be 7:30 to 8:30 in the morning, Monday to
And what will
Friday.
be the days? Monday to Friday.
Monday to
Okay.
Friday. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. No problem.
after this training, we will create the profile as a SAP MM consultant. Will they
Ha.
expect the implementation from us, or we will?
Definitely. Definitely they will, means a implementation project is a must. If you are, if you need a call, or if you are expecting a call, so definitely in your resume it should be there, like implementation project, you have worked on the implementation project.
Sure,
How you can maintain that, we are going to understand in the real time classes. Okay, don't
sure,
worry about that.
sure.
Yeah.
And one more thing, as my LinkedIn, actually, my whole work which I'm doing, it's through LinkedIn. Can I,
Huh.
after the training, can I do that? I mean, deactivate and create a new one.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Okay, so you are a recruiter, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Not a problem. Then you can create a new profile altogether. Create with a new
Sure,
email, you can create a new profile, right? And once you are activating that one, then you can deactivate this one. That is
sure,
okay. Okay.
sure, sure.
Yeah.
Anshuman, can you share your number in the chat? I just wanted to have some discussion.
Okay.
Is it possible?
Yeah, sure. Not a problem.
Yeah. Thanks.
So I have shared my number on chat. You can ping me over there. Anyone can ping me over there. I believe uh, you are there in WhatsApp, all of you, and you have connected with me. So if you have any questions or any doubts, you can just ping me over there, and you can join tomorrow with the same link. So today we are not going to discuss any further. So tomorrow you can join with the same link, and tomorrow we are going to connect at 7:30. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards we are going to start it from the 7:30 a.m. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So bye everyone. We'll connect again on tomorrow.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks.